Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add text to a Canva video. So to start with, you need to open up the video where you want to add the text. So I'll just show you. I've got a nature video here with some bees, and then I've got a bird and a lady walking through like natural surroundings. So I'm going to add some text to this first part of the video. So to start with, you need to click onto the video where you want to add the text. Then on the left hand side, I'm going to click on text. So you have different options here. You can add a heading, subheading, or body text, which is a bit smaller, and you can add dynamic captions if you have audio to the video. I'm just going to add normal text, going to add heading text so it stands out a bit more, going to increase the size of the text so you can see it, and I'm just going to move it up here, and I might change the color as well, maybe white. So I'm just going to say write in Bumblebee, and you can also change the font. So I'm going to click on it and make the font a bit more noticeable. I quite like League Spartan, that stands out. Then once you have your text, you can decide where you want it to start. So at the moment, you can see it starting halfway through the video. If I want it from the beginning, I just slide the slider to the start, and then I can drag the text to the start. If I want it to go for the whole video, I can drag it so it covers the whole video. Then I can position my slider to the next video, and I might add text to this video. So I'm going to click on heading again, increase the size of the text, and again I'm going to move it to the top and change it to the same font. And I'm going to write something like bird. Obviously, you put in your own text. You can move it around wherever you want it on the video, and then position it on your video where you want it to start and how long you want it to last in the video. So that's it. That's how to add text to video in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.